My name is Anais Salinas. I'm the class of 2018 and I play shortstop, second base, and outfield. The position I'm most passionate about is probably shortstop because at first it wasn't an easy road getting there, and I've worked hard and worked harder every day, and it just gets more easier. My goals in life are to go to a good university and to become a pediatrician and just live a happy life. My team is very family oriented. We always have each other's backs no matter what happens. We always support each other and we always play hard and work hard. When I'm up at bat, I'm just focused on hitting the ball square in center and just doing whatever I can to help my team out. If that's bunting, if that's hitting a line drive or whatever, a ground ball, I'm just ready to do it.